Another red wiggler starter colony here. Look at that. Today I'll have a coupon on my website for Memorial Day. So if you want them, just go on my website and I'll ship them to you. And I do ship. I don't ship to Canada yet though. I haven't looked into that yet, but within the US, I can ship. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna show you my breeder wall and the thermostats with cocoons, but first I wanna show you the bin that, remember, it got lost in the mail? And look, the worms are doing excellent. The ones that have remained are coming back, and I'm starting to see little ones, so I know the cocoons that were in here hatched. But since this is gonna be a giveaway, I'm gonna add to this because I want to give it away. Look, see, look at the baby. Before the winter. So let me show you the other bin that I'm going to mix into this for the giveaway. So I don't know if you remember this bin. I started it with only paper and some of those corn things, and look how they're doing. It isn't the prettiest bedding, but you know, they're plump and they're happy. So I'm okay with it. So this is what it looks like when you only feed paper. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is, I mean, look at that. I'm going to take some of this and I'm going to mix it into the giveaway bin so that, well, I could give more worms away. I think that'll be fun to do. And as a thank you for supporting my channel. So I'm gonna come up with a rule for this giveaway. I know you gotta be subscribed to both my channels. You gotta be subscribed here, and you gotta go to the Composting Worm Lady, and you gotta comment over there so I know that you're subscribed to both channels. These are pure red wigglers, guys, and they are gorgeous. I mean, look at this. Gorgeous. So we're gonna put them in there, paper and all, and they'll be happy. Let's get some more. All right. So I hope you're as excited as I am about this giveaway, and I'll ship it to you for free. Obviously, it's got to be within the US. I can't ship to Puerto Rico or Hawaii or Alaska. And I haven't figured out how to ship to Canada yet, so I'm not even going to try that one yet. But eventually, you know. There we go. All right, so there's going to be the giveaway bin. So now let me show you the breeder wall with the cocoons with the new thermostat. All right, so here it is. Let me back up a little so you can see the whole thing. So the bedding for them to hatch, well, to give them the best chance at hatching, should be about 80, 81. So instead of putting the heat mat on the surface, because I don't know if I trust it. Some people do. I don't know. I put it underneath. But since the heat has to go through this plastic, which I already see babies hatching, guys. I've been taking the temperature, and I have the thermostats set at 85. So I've been taking the temperature, and it's like just below 80 when I checked. I think it's a little cooler now because I've been messing with it. Let me find one that I haven't taken the temperature, because I uncovered these two, but I haven't uncovered this one. So let me see. Let's see what the temps are. Now, when I take the temp, there's a dot on here that you have to make sure it's under the surface, and I don't touch the bottom because the plastic on the bottom is warm and it will throw off your temps, you know. I look for the thickest part. Let's see. Okay. And here it's like 75. So what I have to do, see it's climbing a little bit. What I have to do is I have to put the temperature on these things a little higher so that it goes through that. But I've been doing it in increments of 2 degrees so that I accidentally don't like overdo it. So I got them at 85 on the thermostat set. Let me see this one. Yeah, I'm starting to see cocoons, but thermostat or not, it's around the time when they should be hatching. But I think the heat from these things has just helped them out a little bit. You know, I wish Vivo's son would sponsor my video because I need some more of these things. I really do. My goal is to do the rest of these, but you know, I have 9 cocoon bins on each thing, and they're, I don't know how much they were, $22, $28 each. So it's an investment. Yeah, that's for sure. But they're doing well. I'm starting to see babies, but they are so tiny. Let me move over a little and see if the light will hit in here, if we could see any. They are so teeny. Oh, look, there's one. Oh my gosh, look how small that is. So, yeah. So, this Sunday, because I do my bins on Sundays, every week I do a set of 9. This Sunday, these green cocoons that are hatching will move to the green wall. Now, these are my starter colonies that I saw babies and worms in, these. So I'll be moving these out of here because those are up for sale. And I'm going to put a coupon on my website today just as a thank you to you guys for subscribing to my channel, and then the ones that have subscribed to my other channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 on my other channel so that I can monetize it, so that I could bring more income into this wormery. Because guys, this is not cheap to do. I will tell you that. It is not. So I don't disturb. Oh yeah, did you see my new bins? I'm trying out bigger bins, like mortar bins like these, instead of those, just to see if I could put a little bit more quantity of worms in here, and they have a little more room to stretch out. So I don't disturb my bins, my breeders. I only feed them. But for you guys, today I'm just gonna disturb them a little bit, and I'll show you how they're doing. Oh, look. A pair in action. Okay, we won't disturb them. Let's come over here. I'm trying to get out of the light. Okay, there we go. So let's look at the breeders. Wow. They are really looking good. So in each one of these mortar bins, they're the small mortar bins, because Home Depot or Lowe's or, you know, any of those stores, they have 2 sizes. They have the large and the small. These are the smaller ones. I put in each of these things, I put half a pound of worms. Now, as far as numbers, like I never know how many, because these worms, they're all different weights. So when you weigh them, they're all different. So you don't really know unless you're seriously gonna sit there and count them all. And I used to do that a million years ago, but I don't do that anymore because I just have too many of them. So I take my scale and I put half a pound of worms, and that's how many go in here. Well, I'm not going to disturb that area because that's where they were. But anyway, let me cover them back up. Yeah, I don't disturb my breeders because, well, I think it'll interfere with things like that. Because if 2 of them are connected and you stick your hand in there, they're going to separate. But look, they're doing well. They're eating my chow. And if you get my chow and little things like this sprout, just pick it out like this and just throw it back in. These are just the wheat seeds and the oat seeds. And because Everything is like really fertile in here. Things will sprout, but I just see it as extra food for the worms, so I just toss it like that and they eventually eat it. So let's peek at these breeders. Yeah, look at them. They're doing very well. Look how gorgeous that worm is. So they're doing well. So I wanted to give you a little update. Anyway, happy Memorial Day. I work this weekend, but I will be off on Monday. And we're going to grill outside. And I'm going to do some turkey burgers and french fries. And I'll probably do some s'mores because I'm going to build a fire. So if you have any questions about this, you can always comment down below or you can email me. If I don't respond, just do it again because sometimes I get a lot of messages, guys, and they've gotten lost in the wind somehow. I don't know. Either I miss them or they get deleted accidentally or I don't know. Just message me again. So this is how this is going. I'm very pleased with it. And this entire system, you know, it runs well, it functions well. I just need more of these heat mats because it is a good investment, but my gosh, they're expensive. So I've reached out to Vivosun. Hopefully they'll respond and maybe I'll get some free ones to use here. And I wouldn't do it unless I believed in their product, which I really do. I've been using Vivosun for my garden plants for years. But the ones with the thermostat are like a change gamer. They really are. It's just a whole different thing. And I really love the way they work. So, and then we're going to keep these guys going. And I'll keep you updated on the giveaway. Before I give it away, I just want to make sure that I have it really going well in here. And it'll go with cocoons and everything. Just the whole thing. So it'll be fun to see who wins that. And I'll come up with an idea for a contest. That way, whoever wins it is going to be lucky. All right, guys. Well, happy Memorial Day. Check out my website. And I'll see you all next time. Take care.